Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now this is my fourth video for the Bitsat exam 2025. So in this video I am covering questions based on series completion and logical deduction. So for series completion I have given 10 questions, logical deduction also I have given 10 questions. All the questions are of different type, isn't it? And it is going to be very helpful for all of you to score good marks, especially in the logical reasoning section. Okay, so let's begin the class. Now question number 1. Choose the correct alternatives from the given ones that will complete the series. So this is the series given and you have to complete it. Okay, so whenever you see the series, first step you find out the difference between the neighboring numbers, isn't it? So because many times we have seen when you find out the difference, you will able to find out some pattern. So here when I'm finding out the difference, 22 and 26, if I find out the difference, it will be 4. 26 to 53, it is 27. 53 and 69, the difference is 16. 69 and 194, the difference is 125. Now see, observe these numbers which you have got after finding out the difference. See, 4. 4 is a square of 2. 27 is a cube of 3. 16 is a square of 4. And 125 is a cube of 5. So how it is moving? First square of a number, then cube of the next consecutive number. After 3, 4 comes. So square of 4. After 4 is 5. So cube of 5. So if you follow this pattern, it means the next should be a difference of square of 6. Square of 6 is 36, isn't it? So add 36 in 194. So you are going to get 230. Okay. And if you see the option A is the correct option. Right. So like this, you have to solve the questions. Um, you have to observe the pattern. You should be thorough with the square and cube of a numbers, isn't it? So that will make your work easier. Now next question. Question 2. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. So here you have to complete the alphabetical series. So in this type of question, what you do, first you count how many letters are there in the series. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've included the blank place also. So there are 16, isn't it? Now 16, how will you split? Now you can split either as 4 into 4, or you can split 16 as 2 into 8, isn't it? So now what I mean to say, let me try first with the first option. 4 into 4 means you will get a 4 group of 4 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 divided. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 divided. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided. So you can see there are 4 groups of 4 letters. Now you see, is it uh, following some kind of pattern? So if you see here, it starts with L, ends with O. But here we don't know which letter it will start, but ending is L, isn't it? Here again L, starting with L, ending with O. Here starting with O, ending with L, isn't it? So there is a pattern. If you see first and the third one, there is some pattern, isn't it? After L, what it is? M. So here also I will fill M. Let me choose another color. Okay, here also after L I will write M by seeing the pattern. Now after M is N, it means here I have to fill with N and then O. So LMNO, I got this pattern. Now for second and fourth, you see last is ML, here also ML. It means now first one will be here O, right? So till now I got M, O. Now I don't know what I have to fill here. Then N, and again here it is missing. Now here in the second place of second and fourth group, it should be the same number. Now we will solve from the options. So first option MO, it is not there. So this can't be. Here MO is there, but this both should be same digit, isn't it? Because they are the same pattern. So this is also not the correct answer. Here if you see, MO is there, correct. The fourth letter is N, but here it is O. So this is also not the correct option. So the correct option will be option D. And you can see the third and the fifth letter is the same one. So it is MONNN. So like this, you have to count the letters and then divide it in the group, and then you have to see is there any pattern is there, and then you have to solve. So hope it is clear. Now I will be giving some more questions based on this, such that it will become very clear to all of you to solve these type of questions. Now moving to next question. Now here also you have to complete the series, but here all are alphabets. Okay, so let's see the pattern here. First letter is A, here it is C, means after A B is not there, C is there. Same way after C D is not there, E is there. So after E F will not be there, after F G. So G is present in which option? A and C, isn't it? So B and D you have to cancel it. Okay, so first part is done. Now you see both the options. Second letter is M, here second letter is N, isn't it? So let's see the second letter. G, after G, I, means H is not there, means you have to skip one letter. After I, J is not there, K is there. So after K, L will not be there, after L, M will be there, and M is present in A option. So A will be the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. This was one of the easiest question. Now question number 4, here also you have to complete the pattern. This is based on alphabets. So let's write the alphabetical, all the alphabets over here. Now if you see here, P is there, then here is E, here is T. So P to E, it's quite far, isn't it? Now but P to T, if I see, P to T, I have to move how many steps forward? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So P to T I have got. Same way S to W also you have to move 4 steps forward. Same way now if you see here E and I, where is E? E is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 steps forward you are moving. It means whatever pattern it will be here, it will be 4 steps backward to E. 4 steps backward to E means E to D, D to C, C to B and B to A. And if you see the option, only B option starts from A. So that is only the correct option, isn't it? Now moving to next question. Now question number 5, here you have to complete the series. So if you observe here carefully, this series is made up of two of the series, isn't it? One is 3, 7, 13, 21, 31. And after 31 what will come, that you have to find. This is one of the series. Another series is 4, 7, 13, 22 and 34, isn't it? But what we have to find after 31, which series will come, isn't it? This one. One series is 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, and next what will come, that you have to find. It means you have to work on this series. So let's find out the difference. Here the difference is 4, then this is 6, here it is 8, here is 10. So you can see 4, 6, 8, 10. It means after that it should come here 12. So 31 plus 12 will give you 43. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now moving to next question. Now question number 6. Find the odd element in the following sequence. This which is odd one out, that you have to find out. Means there will be one number which is not following the same pattern. Okay. So let's try to find out. So you see 65, 82, 101. If you observe these numbers, see 65 is what? 8 square plus 1. Isn't it? 8 square is 64 and plus 1 will give 65. 82 is 9 square plus 1. Then this is 10 square plus 1. Same pattern if I follow, it should be 11 square plus 1. But 11 square is 121 and plus 1 it will give 122. But here is 120. It means this is odd one out. So option B will be the correct answer. Okay, if you want you can check for other also. It is 12 square plus 1 and this is 13 square plus 1. Okay, so everybody is following the same pattern except 120. Now moving to the next question. Now question 7, which of the following group of letters will complete the given series? Now we have already solved one question similar to this in the beginning, isn't it? So first of all count how many letters are there. So if you count, there are 16 letters. Okay, and how will you divide 16? 16 we can divide in many ways. One of the ways is 4 into 4, isn't it? 16 can be divided as 4 into 4. So now what I will do, I am going to make a group of 4 letters. 4 group of 4 letters. So one group, another group, third group and fourth group. And if you see first and the third group is same, isn't it? So it starts with O, here also starts with O. Second letter is P, so here you have to fill P, and fourth is O, so here it should be O. Then second and fourth is also same. ends with Q. Here also Q. Next, before Q here is R, so here also you have to fill R, and before R again R is there, so here you have to fill R. It begins with Q, so here will be Q. So you are filling P, Q, R, O, R, isn't it? So D is the correct option. Okay, now next question. Again same way, please count how many letters are there here. So if you count, there are 15 letters, and 15 you can divide as 3 into 5, isn't it? So I'm going to make 3 groups of 5 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and here. Now last you see NCV, NCV. Here also it should be C, isn't it? So that is clear. If it starts with A, so here will be A, here will be A. Now I don't have a clue for this remaining part, isn't it? But it will be the same letter, as all three are having the same letter in the each pattern. In all the three patterns, same letters are there, isn't it? So it means first I don't know what to fill, then C will come, then A will come, again blank, isn't it? Again you can see here A is there, and again here it's a blank. So it means the option which will have first, fourth and sixth letter same, that will be the correct option. Okay, so if you see here, and CA, where is CA present? So CA is present here only, isn't it? Only this place. And you can see first and fourth and sixth is B, which should be same, isn't it? So from here I can say A is the correct option. So like that you have to see the pattern and you have to solve. So you can see that I am giving so many steps, isn't it, to solve quickly. So if you like my video, please share with your friend and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Now moving to next question. Now question number 7, here also you have to fill the series. So let's find the difference between the numbers which is next to each other. So here the difference is 13, here the difference is 26, here difference is 52, here is 104. Now see the pattern. 13 into 2 gives me 26. 26 into 2 gives me 52. 52 into 2 gives me 104. So 104 into 2 will give me here 208, isn't it? It means 202 add 208. So if you add, you will get 410. So 410 is option B. So option B is your correct answer. Now next question. Here also you have to fill the series. So the numbers are 1, 2, 5 and the missing number, and then 677. Now you see 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2, if you see, can I write it as 1 square plus 1? Isn't it? 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Same way 5 can be written as 2 square plus 1, right? 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. It means the next number should be 5 square plus 1. 5 square is 25, 25 plus 1 is 26. So here you have to fill 26. Now let's see the pattern follows for this or not. So 26 square plus 1. 26 square is 676 and plus 1 will give you 677. So A is the correct option, isn't it? So I have covered till now 10 questions, and all the questions were completely different and very important questions as per exam point of view, isn't it? So please like, share and subscribe to my channel as much as possible. Now I'm going to start with the questions based on logical deduction. Okay. So let's start. So in logical deduction, some statements will be given, and based on those statements, there will be questions. So here if you see in this question, from a group of 6 boys A, B, C, D, E and F and 5 girls V, W, X, Y and Z, a team of 6 is to be selected. So you have to make a team where 6 members should be there, and some of the criteria of selection are as follows. So A and Y go together. So if you are taking A in the team, Y should be there. C cannot be placed with B, means C and B should not be together. X cannot go with Y, it means X and Y should also not be together. Then B goes with W. If B is there, W should also be there in the team. D and E have to be together, so D and E should also be together, and Z and F go together. Okay, so all these conditions you have to keep it in your mind, and then you have to make a team of 6. So first question says, if question 11, if the team consists of 2 girls and X is one of them, then the other members are. Now you have to make a team of 6 members, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One girl is X, which is already given in the question. So remaining 5 members you have to find. Okay, and team will have 2 girls, means there will be one more girl. Girls X, if you exclude, the girls should be either V, W, Y or Z. Now let's see all the condition and then check the option which is correct. So if you see here, if A is there, Y should go together. So but here A is there but Y is not there. So first option wrong. Same way the D option also, A is there but Y is not there. So this is also wrong. Right? Now let's see the C option. It is given that C cannot be placed with B. But if you see in the C option, C and B both are there. So this is also not possible. So only possibility is B option. Now see whether it satisfies all the criteria or not. So Z and F go together. So both are there. D and E have to be together. So that is also there, right? C cannot be placed with B. So yes, B is not here. And you can see there should be 2 girls, isn't it? So Z is also one of the girl. So the correct option is option B, right? Now this question is very important as per your Bitsat exam. Now next question based on the same criteria. If the team has 4 boys, including C and F, the members of the team other than C and F are. Now see, you have to make a team of 6 members. It is given in the question in the beginning, isn't it? So 6 members, out of 6, 4 boys will be there. And out of 4 boys, C and F already they have decided. Now it means remaining 2 boys and remaining 2 girls you have to put, right? But you have to see the criterias also, isn't it? All the criterias it should follow. So if you see here C and F. So let's see the condition with C and F only. C cannot be placed with B. So is there any option where B is there? No, it is not there, isn't it? Now with the F condition is if F is going, Z should also go. So which option is having Z? If you see here Z is not there, here Z is not there. C option Z is there and D option also Z is not there. So it means the only way is C. Because if F is going, Z should also be there, isn't it? That is the condition. Now let's check. You have 2 more boys and 2 more girls or not. So D and E, they both are boys and V and Z both are girls, isn't it? So C is the correct option. Now we will do some more questions based on the same criteria. Okay. Now question number 13. Again, it is the sub part of the previous question only. Here it is given if 4 members are boys, which of the following cannot constitute the team? Okay. So in the question what it has given, you have to make a team of 6. Now it is given out of 6, 4 are boys. So first of all you check in all the option 4 boys are there. Now boys are from A, B, C, D, E, F. So here 4 boys are there. Here also it is there. Here also it is there. Here also it is there. So 4 boys are there. Okay. Next you have to see the condition, isn't it? So A is there. We will see now in this question what it says, which of the, you have to find out which of the following cannot form the team, isn't it? So if you see the first option, A and Y should be together depending on the condition. Yes, it is there. Then C cannot be placed with B. So C is there but B is not there. That is also fine. X cannot go with Y. So Y is there but X is not there. It is also following. D and E have to be together. Yes. And Z and F go together. So Z and F nothing is there. So this team is correct. This team can go. Now let's see the second one. Here what it is given. A and Y go together. So yes, A and Y is there. Then Z and F is also together. Yes, that is correct. Then B goes with W. But here B is there, W is not there, isn't it? So this will not form the team, isn't it? And here moreover, if you see, it is given C cannot be placed with B where C and B both are there, isn't it? So it is not able to form the team. So the B is the option which will not able to constitute the team, right? Now next question. If both Z and D are members of the team and 3 boys are included in the team, then the members of a team other than Z and D are. So, first of all, there are 6 members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Z and D are already there. Now there should be one boy and rest all should be girl, isn't it? So one boy, three girls should be there. So now you have to see which member can form the team. So you have to now see the condition, isn't it? So first of all, if you see here, x cannot go with y. So if you see x and y here, it is going. So D is not the option, isn't it? Then already it is given in the question Z and D are there, isn't it? So if Z will go, F will also go. So F is present in all the three, that is fine. Next, D and E have to be together. So D and if D is going already, so E should be there. But E is not in the C option. So C is also not the correct team, isn't it? So this is also gone. Now next will be, if you see here, it is given B goes with W. So if W is there, B should also be there. So here is W, but B is not there. So this is also not the correct team. So I'm left only with the A option. And if you see, this option will satisfy all the criteria. X cannot go with Y, so X is there, Y is not there. And if you see, this is the, if see D and E have to be together. So if D is going, E is also going, isn't it? And Z and F go together. So Z is there, F is also there. It means this is only the correct team. So 14th A is the correct answer. So you can see based on one question only there were 4 subparts, isn't it? And this type of question comes in Bitsat exam. So now you can able to understand that how you have to solve these type of question by keeping all the conditions. You have to keep it in your mind and then you have to proceed. Okay. Now next question is based on the following information. So the question says study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 6 flats on a floor in 2 rows facing north and south are allotted to P, Q, R, S, T and U. So there are 6 flats, okay, and they all are arranged in 2 rows. Some of them are facing north, some of them are facing south. Q gets north facing flat and is next to S. S and U get diagonally opposite flats. R is next to U, gets a south facing flat, and T gets a north facing flat. Okay, so let's first of all put this arrangement. So 6 flats are there in 2 rows. So south direction is downward, right? So these flats are facing towards south, downward, and these 3 flats are facing towards north, which is upward. Now Q gets a north facing flat. Okay, so it means this is north facing, so here is Q, and it is not next to S. Okay, here S means south. Okay, don't get confused. Next, it is given S and U get diagonally opposite flat. So I don't know where is S and U. S is in south or north, we don't know. Next, R is next to U, gets a south facing flat. Means R gets south facing flat and that is next to U. Now I can put this condition third. S and U gets diagonally opposite. So for U, the diagonally opposite is here. Okay. So R is next to you gets a south facing flat and T gets a north facing flat. So T is here and here the left out flat will be P. So now this is your arrangement. Now you can arrange this in one more way. You can write here P, R and U and here will be S, T and Q. You can see here U and S are diagonally opposite. Now the first question is which of the following combination gets south facing flats? So south facing flats is U, R and P. So the correct option is option C. Now next the flats of which of the other pair than SU is diagonally opposite. So one pair is S and U, other pair is P and Q. So here also PQ, isn't it? So the first option is the correct option. Okay, now moving to next question. Now one more question based on logical deduction. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 persons R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y are sitting in a straight line facing north but not necessarily in the same order. S is the immediate neighbor of T and U. V sits second to the right of X, who does not sit at either end of the line. R is 6 to the left of V. Y is 6 to the right of T. W sits on the immediate right of X and is immediate neighbor of V. And S is not an immediate neighbor of X. See, so many informations are given over here, isn't it? So first of all, one by one, we are going to do the arrangement. Okay. So there can be more than one possibilities of the arrangement. So I have taken two over here. Let's see one by one. So first it is given S is the immediate neighbor of T and U. Okay. So I am planning to write here S is the immediate neighbor of T and U. Now it can be written in another way. S will be here and U and T will be here. Okay. Next, V sits to the second to the right of X. I don't have any information of X, so I cannot write that. Next, who does not sit at the either end of the line. Okay. So it is not at the extreme end. Next, R is the sixth to the left of V. That information also I cannot plot now. Next, Y is the sixth to the right of T. So from T, what it is given, Y is the sixth to the right of T. So from T, you have to go 6 times towards the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here will come Y. Okay. Now in the second arrangement, if you try to put this, Y is the sixth to the right of T. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot put. It means this arrangement we cannot proceed. Okay. This arrangement we cannot proceed. Next, W sits to the immediate right of X and is immediate neighbor of V. What it is given, W sits to the immediate right of X. So I can put X is here. Okay. No, X I cannot put over here because there are two conditions given, isn't it? What it is given first, W sits on the immediate right of X. So W is on the right side of X and is the immediate neighbor of V also. Okay. So W sits, so here will be X, here is W, and as V is the immediate neighbor, so V will be here also. Now if you see the condition here, V sits second to the right of X, this condition is satisfying, isn't it? Who does not sit at the either end, and it is not at the either end. Now one more place is empty here. So if you see the all the person's name, R is missing, so it means R will come in the front. So like this, you one by one you have to read the statement and then you have to do it. Okay. Now R I am putting on the front, that is based on here also R is to the sixth to the left of V. So from V 6 times if you go to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here will be R, isn't it? So now all the conditions are getting satisfied through this arrangement. Now there are few questions. So the first question is, which of the following statement is true? First, R is on the immediate left of S. S is here, immediate left is T. So this statement is false. U is the immediate neighbor of S and X. Yes, immediate neighbor of U is S and X. So second one is the correct option. Now moving to the next question. Who among the following sit on the extreme ends of the line? So extreme ends is R and Y, isn't it? So A is the correct option. Next, who among the following sits second to the right of R? So first right is T, second right is S. So the correct option is option B. And question 20 is, who among the following are immediate neighbors of V? So immediate neighbor of V is W and Y. So D is the correct option. So in these type of question, if your arrangement is correct, you will able to solve all the questions. And these questions are very scoring also, because based on one situation, you will get minimum 3 questions in your exam. And if your arrangement is correct, 3 questions will be correct. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Now I have covered 10 question based on series, 10 question based on logical deduction, isn't it? And I've covered all varieties of questions. You can see from the beginning, I started from, there were some questions which were of very basic level, and then slowly I moved towards the advanced level, isn't it? So if you feel my video that it is really useful, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel as much as possible. So that's all for today's class. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.